50 plus essential verbs for beginners. I eat breakfast every morning. She eats vegetables for lunch. We ate pizza last night. I go to the gym every day. She goes to school by bus. We will go to the park later. Run. He runs every morning to stay fit. The kids are running in the yard. I ran a marathon last year. Walk. I walk to work every day. She walks her dog every evening. We walked to the store earlier. Read. I read books before bed. She reads the newspaper every morning. We are reading a new novel. Write. I write emails to my friends. He writes in his journal every night. We are writing an essay for school. Speak. I speak English and Spanish. She speaks very quickly. We are speaking about our plans. Listen. I listen to music while working. He listens to the radio every morning. We listen to the teacher carefully. Watch. I watch TV after dinner. She watches movies on weekends. We watched a great movie last night. Play. I play football on weekends. She plays the piano very well. They are playing video games right now. Work. I work in an office. She works from home. We worked hard on the project. Sleep. I sleep for 8 hours every night. He sleeps early on weekdays. We slept in today because it's a holiday. Drink. I drink water every day. She drinks coffee in the morning. We drank juice at breakfast. Cook. I cook dinner every night. She cooks very well. We are cooking pasta for lunch. Clean. I clean the house every weekend. She cleans her room every day. We clean the kitchen after dinner. Help. I help my friends with homework. She helps her parents with chores. We helped him carry his bags. Buy. I buy groceries every Saturday. She buys clothes online. We bought a new phone yesterday. Sell. I sell used books on the internet. He sells flowers at the market. We sold our old furniture. Drive. I drive to work every day. She drives a red car. We drove to the beach last weekend. Teach. I teach English to beginners. She teaches math at a school. We taught him how to ride a bike. Learn. I learn new things every day. She learns languages quickly. We learned how to cook together. Open. I open the window to get some fresh air. She opens the door when guests arrive. We open the gift with excitement. Close. I close the door before I leave. She closed the window to keep the cold out. We closed the shop early today. Call. I call my parents every weekend. She calls her friends after school. We called a taxi to go to the airport. Visit. I visit my grandparents every month. She visits the doctor for regular checkups. We visited the museum last weekend. Think. I think about my future a lot. She thinks this idea is great. We thought it would rain today. Laugh. I laugh at funny jokes. She laughs a lot during movies. We laughed so hard at his joke. Cry. I cry when I'm sad. She cried during the movie. We cried when we said goodbye. Dance. I love to dance at parties. She dances beautifully. We danced all night at the wedding. Sing. I sing in the shower. She sings in the choir. We sang songs around the campfire. Sit. I sit on the couch when I relax. She sits at the front of the class. We sat by the lake and enjoyed the view. Stand. I stand in line for coffee. She stands up when the teacher enters. We stood for an hour waiting for the bus. Wait. I wait for the bus every morning. She waits for her friends at the cafe. We waited in line for tickets. Smile. I smile when I see a cute dog. She smiles every time she talks about her job. We smiled at the beautiful sunset. Show. I show my friends my photos. She shows me how to make the dish. We showed them around the city. Love. I love spending time with my family. She loves to read books. We loved the concert last night. Hate. I hate waking up early. She hates doing the dishes. We hated the weather yesterday. Forget. I always forget my keys. She forgot to call her friend. We forgot about the meeting. Remember? I remember meeting him last year. She remembers her first day at school. We remembered to bring the tickets. Stay. I stay at home on Sundays. She stays at a hotel when she travels. We stayed up late studying for exams. Live. I live in a small apartment. She lives in New York City. We lived in Japan for 2 years. Look. I look at the stars at night. She looks for her keys every morning. We looked for a new car last weekend. Find. I found my favorite book. She finds her wallet in the bag. We found a new restaurant to try. Ask. I ask questions in class. She asks for directions when she gets lost. We ask the waiter for the bill. Answer. I answer the phone when it rings. She answers questions during the meeting. We answered the quiz correctly. Travel. I travel for work a lot. She travels to different countries every year. We traveled to Paris last summer. Build. I build sandcastles at the beach. She builds amazing websites. We built a treehouse in the backyard. Fix. I fix the broken chair. She fixes her bike every week. We fix the computer together. Create. I create artwork in my free time. She creates beautiful jewelry. We created a new project for the school. Paint. I paint landscapes in my spare time. She paints her nails every week. We painted the house last summer. Throw. I throw the ball to my dog. She throws away old magazines. We threw a party for his birthday. Enjoy. I enjoy going to the beach. She enjoys playing the piano. We enjoyed the concert last night. Join. I join a club at school. She joins me for lunch every day. We joined the yoga class together. Enjoyed the video? Hit subscribe, give a thumbs up, and leave a comment below.